So if you are like most business owners and you struggled creating a really solid marketing plan, you've come to the right place. SocialHub is designed to help you plan your social media and your marketing for the next 90 days. Now let me tell you all about it. I know it feels like there's not enough hours in the day and there's not enough time in the week to do exactly what you want to help grow your business. And more importantly, your marketing and your social media just don't feel like a priority. This is why planning is so important. When we start to maximize our time, we start to see results. SocialHub is an event that we run every single quarter. It's designed to entertain, educate, and inspire you to get the best results from your marketing. And more importantly, we try and invite guest speakers on so they can see you and also give you insight, education, and more importantly, get you really motivated and pumped up for the next 90 days to get massive, massive results. Speakers we've had in the past, to give you an example, John Asquith, Amelia Sordell, Phil M. Jones. The list can go on. The guest speakers are designed to help you get exactly what you want from your marketing and really encourage and inspire you to do it yourself. So I want to personally invite you to join our SocialHub workshop and come and learn how to plan your marketing for your business. When you join SocialHub, you will have access to the one event that we hold every 90 days. You'll have an opportunity to learn from the strategies implemented in other businesses just like yours. And you'll also be able to grow your network of contacts with other business owners. By the end of the workshop, you'll not only know how to plan a successful marketing campaign for your business, you'll also have the best tools to do it with. And ultimately, we want you to gain a clear understanding of where you're going, where you want to be, and how we can help you get there. So join me at SocialHub to take the first steps to planning for social media success.